Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Connie and we are in the Country Finds barn. Today is going to be, I'm working on organizing my boxes in my shed a little bit because I have quite the mess going on in here. And as you can see, sweating. I've already started, but I am losing momentum. So I figured if I got on here and maybe if you guys worked with me, then I could get this done. Let me turn you around and let you see what's going on. All right, here we go. I'm at my door. And this is what I have going on. It is quite a mess in here. The problem with being an everything reseller is you tend to save every box you can so you have a box for when you need it. And I do a lot of recycling boxes, so whatever I get from Amazon or my husband gets from orders, we save them to an extent. Now this stuff over here is things I need to get listed, but that is a box I've already started on. I actually had that all filled up with boxes and I pulled them all down. I've already started organizing. This is my shelf that I put boxes on, and I've kind of got that organized. The problem with keeping all boxes is there's no really good way to organize them because you have sizes of every shape and all kinds of sizes and stuff. So unfortunately, I can't put like this is size whatever box, and it just doesn't work like that. So I'm trying to organize it the best I can, and then whatever doesn't fit on this shelf, because as you can see it's a small shelf, I'm going to stick back up there in the loft. Now the problem with the loft, I love that space, but the problem with that is I don't have a good ladder to get up and down. That is the only ladder I have, and it doesn't get me up there very far, so I really absolutely hate getting up there to get boxes down, but I don't have any other choice and that was one of the reasons I wanted the loft when I bought this barn, is for boxes. So what I'm going to do is I got a variety of boxes on this shelf. So whatever I can't fit on here is going to go back up there. Now this box, I kind of have it like kind of organized for me anyways. These are like rectangular boxes, and I don't get a whole lot of those, and actually a lot of my stuff I need in rectangular boxes. So I'm trying to put all those in one box. These are just overflow of what I couldn't get on that shelf. I have some of these on my main shelf over here. And then these are USPS boxes that I only pull for every once in a while, maybe for Poshmark or something. In this box, I'm putting mini boxes in here, so like boxes that maybe ornaments would fit in. And then I also have some of this size box that I might be able to use for something. I just try to keep a variety of boxes, but it can get really overwhelming. And that's where I'm at now. I'm overwhelmed with all these boxes everywhere. And they ended up getting put under here and over in the corner. And I have these size boxes, which I like to keep these size boxes for when I sell trains. Then I could put like trains in these boxes, and then rather than using this as shipping on its own, I'll put it in a poly mailer because these aren't strong, but I will strengthen it up with tape and protect the trains and then put it in a poly mailer. So because I don't want that going in the mail, I'd never make it on its own. So yep, that's what those are for. These I'm just keeping because you never know when you might need these. These are a little bit stronger. So if I had to, I could cut these down, make them into two smaller boxes, and those would be good for trains too. Those are even better than all these. But also, maybe if I sold something, like that was small enough that it'd be able to fit in here and then maybe into another box, I could do that. So I just try to make sure that I have enough boxes for when I need them, because I do not have quick access to go get boxes. I live out in the country and I don't have any big box stores close to me. They're all about 35 minutes away. And then we do have a Dollar General, but some of their boxes I just don't like. I mean, I could do that as a last resort, and I have before. But what I'm going to do is, since I pretty much got through all that's boxes up there and got that organized over there, next thing I'm going to work on is trying to get these out from under here, get those out of the corner over there, and then we'll see how much energy I have left after that. So I'm going to put you up somewhere so maybe you can see what's happening, and I am going to add a little bit of music. So if you guys need motivation for cleaning or something like that, this is a perfect video to put in the background. All right, let's get going. All right, guys, that was got the boxes done. Thank God. That has been the downfall for me ever since I went to selling everything and not just clothing. And you have to think about that when you become an everything reseller, if you have enough space to put the boxes. So here you go. They're all up in there. And the problem is I have a tendency not to even want to go up there. That's why I tried to put most of them on that rack over there. But at least it looks better. I still have to sweep and everything. My husband came in and helped me. Thank you, honey. So he worked overtime today and he's very tired. Plus he's been fighting a cold or something. So in the heat, he is exhausted. But we got it done. And I got this cleaned out. That is packaging material. I have 2 bags of those. And then those are boxes I didn't know what to do with, so I put them in that. I'll have to label that so I know there's boxes in there. I still got a few straggler boxes here and there, but it's looking much better than what it was. And I hope you guys were able to get something done as well today. And I hope I inspired you to do something. I would not have been able to finish this project without you guys. So that's why I decided to turn on the camera and just make a little video. So I hope it inspired you. Now is the time to do this kind of thing with summer slowdown here and the sales are a little bit slower. And it's a good way to get ready for Q4 and make sure you have all the inventory that you want listed. And that's my next project, is start really hitting the inventory hard. Today is Thursday, so we will be garage sailing tomorrow, which will bring more inventory in. But that is how I do it, because living in Indiana, we do get a winter, and getting inventory is much harder. So I try to bring in as much as I possibly can. And if I have to, I will store it in my spare room in the house, just so I have enough inventory for the winter, or at least part of the winter. But this is the barn now. You think you have a lot of space until you get to work it in here. I'm happy with the size I got, though. I'm not complaining at all. I'm making it work, and it looks kind of a mess, but this is actually organized for me. So it works out, and I'm really happy with it. I wouldn't change a thing. I really wouldn't. I take that back. I kind of wish I had a better desk with more storage, but with the things that I have, it would be even hard to do that. So it works out for me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you were able to get something done with me, or at least inspired you to. Get it done, ladies and gentlemen, while you can, because you want to be all ready for Q4 so we can have some great sales this fall and winter. All right, that is all I have for you today. Please like and subscribe, and let me know if you were able to get anything done today as well. So until next time, bye.